You guys, I am so excited. I literally saved over $500 on my new iPhone 11 Pro. Yes, you guys, I have an iPhone 11 Pro that I bought refurbished, and I'm going to unbox it right now for you guys. So real quick, let me tell you guys about the company I decided to go through. I decided to go through a company called Declutter. I literally reviewed so many companies, and I just literally decided to go with that one. I bought this iPhone with my own money, okay? No sponsorships or anything like that. So literally, this is my honest opinion. So the company Declutter, they sell and they buy phones. They also sell and buy games, CDs, movies, all type of things, you guys. So they're literally a one-stop shop. So yeah, I got an iPhone 11 Pro. So basically all the phones are refurbished. So basically what that means, they had a previous owner that sold their phones to Declutter, and their tech, they go in and they make sure that the phone is working. They make sure the camera's okay, the battery's okay, the sound is okay. They go in and make sure everything is okay. Then they go ahead and they resell those phones to people like you and I. So that's what I did. I bought a refurbished iPhone 11 Pro, and I am super excited. I'm gonna unbox it right now with you guys. So let's go ahead and just unbox it, and I'll tell you guys more about the company in a second because I'm like super excited. So this is the packaging that it came in. I bought this iPhone on the 6th of this month, and literally I had it on the 9th, you guys. So yeah, super quick. So I actually purchased this iPhone at like in the evening time on the 6th. And then literally on the 7th in the morning, like 4:30, I got an email that said, you know, we just shipped out your phone. And I was like, what? Like that quick? It was super, super quick, you guys. But here is the box. So it has their advertisement on front, shows you how to like set up your phone, all you need to do to get started. And here's the phone. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna go ahead and take it out the packaging, you guys. So let me go ahead and just like show you guys how it's packaged. So that's how it comes. It's just slid in between like this little plastic thing right here. And then it comes with the cable. It doesn't come with the thing that goes into the wall. It just comes with this right here to charge it. Luckily it came with the charger because I was like, I don't have an iPhone charger, so I'm glad it came with this. Okay, and I see right here at the bottom, it has the, what is this called? The, you guys see that? It comes with a SIM card tool. That's what it's called. I literally had a brain fart. Anyways, but this is the iPhone, my new iPhone 11 Pro. It's new to me, and I'm pretty sure I got like smudges everywhere. But yes, you guys. So I got the quality that was very good. So they have good, they have very good, and they have, I think, excellent. So I got very good. And from the looks of it, you guys, I don't see anything wrong with this phone, like at all. So I am so excited. I'm so happy. So you guys are up close really quick. So that's the front. The side. Flawless. I'm trying to be really careful, you guys. And this is the back. Whoa. So I got it in the color Space Gray, and this one I got in 256 gigabytes, you guys. Okay, so oh my gosh, I saved literally over 500 bucks. Especially I got the Space Gray color, which I really like, which I think is more expensive than the other colors that I've seen on the site. And on top of that, I got crazy storage. I got 256 gigabytes, so I'm super happy. I got express shipping. I didn't mention that, so that's why it came really quick. All the items that they sell, they offer free shipping, so that's super amazing. But you know me, like with me not having a phone, I was like, yo, I need a phone like as soon as possible. So I paid the extra $15 to get it shipped really quick. So that's why it came really fast. So yeah, let me show you guys my old phone, y'all. Like, don't laugh at me. I had a little Android. I had a little Motorola. What is this, Motorola? That's what I had. I been needed to upgrade my phone like forever ago. So yeah, it got smashed, and these phones are really expensive to get the screen fixed. And I just previously, a month ago, got my screen fixed. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and upgrade and get a whole new phone. I wasn't gonna pay as much money as this cost originally. I was not gonna pay that price. You guys know, like iPhones are like what? Over $1,000? I think, I don't even know. I'll put in a clip about how much this one costs. But yeah, iPhones are like over $1,000, and I was like, no. So I was looking up, and I seen this one. I seen the companies that sell refurbished phones, and I was like, I'm just gonna take a chance. I'm pretty sure they know what they're doing. I had faith, okay? And I'm so freaking happy, you guys. My phone looks really, really good, and I'm gonna get all these little smudges off. Right when this video is over, I'm gonna get all these little prints off of here, but it looks brand new. You wouldn't have, no one would know. No one would be able to know that it's like she didn't pay over $1,000 like everybody else for her phone. More about the company, they offer a 12-month warranty, so that's super amazing, as well as a 14-day money-back guarantee. So for any reason, if you do not like your new phone, you can always go ahead and just ship it back to them, and then you'll get your money back. So literally, like, you're not taking any risk like whatsoever. And they have amazing reviews. I don't know if I said this, but they have amazing reviews, and that's why I decided to go with Declutter. I'm going to set my new phone up. I'm going to go ahead and put my old SIM card into this phone just to make sure that I can make calls and everything is working. I cannot wait to FaceTime somebody. Like, I'm so excited. I'll be right back. So you guys, I was able to set everything up, almost everything. I got my Wi-Fi going. I went ahead and created my, what is it, iCloud and all that good stuff. So I'm super happy. I didn't get the, hold on, there's a hair on my lip. I didn't get the my phone network set up because I have to call Metro PCS. You know how Metro is. Metro's a little different. So I have to call them and switch everything over to this iPhone right here. But oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, this iPhone right here is unlocked, so it can go with any phone carrier or phone service, whatever it's called. I got my iPhone from Declutter. I highly recommend. This was super amazing. I saved a ton of freaking money, so that is amazing. And I also, just really quick, just so I can show you guys, I got a case. This is the case. I got a case, and I got like a screen protector because y'all, I'm gonna take care of this one this time for sure. And I also, lastly, I have a 10% off code for you guys, A to the savings, so that's even more savings. I will put that code in the link in the description box down below so you guys can save some money if you guys decide to go ahead and go with Declutter. If you get a new phone or whatever, you can use that code and you can save 10%. But that was it, you guys. I hope you guys liked this video. Comment down below and make sure you are subscribed and share this to everyone else, because this will actually help people afford phones instead of paying a super outrageous price for iPhones, Androids. Don't forget to like, comment, and make sure you are subscribed. Also, you guys, I had an extra savings. I can tell you guys all about that in a separate video if you guys want to know how to save even more when you purchase your phone, or honestly anything else. Let me know, you guys. I'm telling you, your girl be with the savings, okay? I'm gonna go the most affordable route, period. I'm kind of confusing and I don't want to add it to this video, but just let me know in the comments down below. That is it. I love you guys oh so much. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.